Hello friends, happy Akshay Tritiya. Myself Sandesh Kesinath Rao. I am mechanical engineer by education and financial planner by profession. I am a trainer, motivator and coach. Today is Akshay Tritiya, an auspicious day in our Hindu calendar. We start doing new things on this day and also buy gold as a sign of prosperity. We all like gold and prosperity in the life. In the same way, today I am going to share with you golden triangle concept which you can use in all part of your life. Okay? So now, friends, how are you feeling now? Are you happy? Sad? Curious? Conscious? What are your feelings? Are you confused? What next? So friends, in this situation, how this golden triangle concept will work in your life? So first side of this golden triangle concept is be calm. You must have observed me while starting this video, I was silent for some time. That is being calm. Doing nothing before doing something is being calm. If you want to do something and you have lots of thoughts in your mind, you are stressed, you cannot create new things, you cannot think about the good things. So be calm is the most important. I can share one story about the Mahabharata. In the Mahabharata, Arjun had many questions, he was stressed. And on the other side, Lord Krishna, his friend, his guide, his coach, he was calm. So friends, in our life, we have to work like Krishna. Now this is the situation. What we can do about it? Nothing. And one saying says, what you resist that persists. So stop resisting this situation. Accept it as it is. Now for being calm, you can do one more thing, that is a meditation. You can go on YouTube, you will get lot of videos for a guided meditation. And doing nothing and being with yourself is a meditation. And that time, all the energy flows into you. Now the second side of this triangle is finding facts. So for this situation, what are the facts? COVID-19 is a new disease. Corona is a new virus for all of us. Worldwide, there is no antidote or any medicine to cure this. Now we have to follow instructions given by government authorities. So while fact finding, we have to see the authentic source while finding the facts. All the times there are rumors in the market. Ignore that rumors and go with the facts. Okay. Now third side. Third side is be responsible. Now in this pandemic situation, what is our responsibility? Be at home. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. If you require to go out to buy essentials, go with mask and with social distancing. After you come back from the outside, directly go to take bath, wash your clothes and handbags also. This is our responsibility. But friends, one more side is there. In this lockdown period, we have ample of time. We can utilize it very wisely to upgrade ourselves, to upgrade our knowledge. There are many courses online. We can do that. Many times we think about it, but because of not having time, we didn't go for that. Go for that courses, do that courses. So this way, we can use this time wisely. So friends, while sum up, I would like to tell you one short story. I know, we all like to hear the stories. So the story says, there was a retired soldier working part-time in the hotel as a waiter. He was carrying glasses with the water in the tray and going to the table to serve this water. And on the background, he hear one sound from the TV. Attention! What must be his reaction? He immediately dropped down the tray and salute, because that was his practice. But what happened? His manager was very angry on him. He asked him, "What are you doing? Why you drop down the tray?" But he calmly answered, "Sir, I used to hear the orders. I follow the orders all the time. I work in the military for last 35 years, and always I obey the orders." So what you learn from this story? In any situation in the life, you have to recall this golden triangle concept, which says, first of all, be calm. Then find facts from authentic sources. And third is be responsible. Thank you. So friends, if you like these stories and the concept, please subscribe my channel, press the like button and also the bell, by which you will get the notifications. We will meet on every Sunday with new concepts, new ideas and new stories. Thank you very much. Wish you a happy and safe life and happy lockdown. Thank you.